Well, let's get more on this because we can speak to an international lawyer specialising in sanctions. Farhad Alavi joins me now from Washington. Thanks for being with us. So we heard in Liz's report the frustrations of Iranians to get trade flowing. Why is it taking so long?
Right. Well, there are a number of reasons. For one thing, it's only been about 3.5 months, but also one of the key issues that's being discussed these last few days has been the banking challenges that exist, because although the legal limitations have largely been lifted, some limitations still remain in place. And also, the banks are very wary around the world to start dealing with their Iranian counterparts. So banking is really what greases the wheels of commerce in international trade. And before that gets up and running, that's going to be a big problem. And obviously, there is some wariness on the part of investors, as it's an unknown area and it's been kind of seen as a pariah state for so long.
So some believe that there's a prejudice against Iran here. Is there any truth in that?
A prejudice in the sense of, well,
trust
the Iranian, excuse me?
A trust issue.
Right. Well, there's a lot of issues. Trust, I think, is a very bilateral issue here, because on one hand, there is concern that the United States, for example, might not stick to its end of the deal, and that questions the stability of this deal. On the other hand, there are issues about Iran. There are issues that investors and businesses surely face, certain concerns about, will the law change? Is this deal a first step towards kind of a marathon, long-term rapprochement between Iran and the rest of the world? Or is it just a Band-Aid solution that Iran was looking for to merely ease some of the troubles it was facing in recent years? And the question, I think, both politically and economically, that will be of concern to many businesses around the world as they consider what they're going to do with Iran.
Farhad Alavi, thank you very much for being with us.